Do you know that a small cloves water remedy can become a silent turnaround for your skin's wrinkles, fine lines, and open pores? You might be wondering, asterisk, how is that even possible? But science says it's 100% possible. The real problem is this: most people say, I'm getting older. Wrinkles are inevitable. Loose skin is just normal. But according to dermatologists, the biggest cause of wrinkles is not age. The real reasons are oxidative damage, dehydration, and the kind of damage that quietly builds up inside the skin over many years. Think about it. Every year, every month, every single day, your skin's collagen fibers are slowly breaking down. Less oxygen reaches your skin cells. The flow of nutrients keeps getting weaker. And the result? Skin starts to sag. Skin looks dull. Skin feels tired. Fine lines around the eyes begin to deepen. And this is exactly where gentle, science-backed care can begin to change the story. But here's the turning point. Using cloves water in a smart way can actually reverse this entire story. And today, I'm going to share with you a quiet secret one that many skin specialists recommend to their patients without making a big noise about it. This is not an expensive cream, not an injection, not a chemical treatment, just a few simple ingredients, a powerful remedy that already exists in your kitchen every single day. Yet the truth is, most people never truly take their real skin healing power seriously. The first ingredient is clove, such a tiny spice, but with a big impact. Inside clove is eugenol, a powerful antioxidant and a strong anti-inflammatory compound. It directly targets free radicals in the skin, the same free radicals that are the root cause of wrinkles, sagging, and pigmentation. When the damage slows down, repair finally begins. The second ingredient, bay leaf, tezpada. Bay leaf works as a gentle detox support for the skin. It slowly loosens the hidden impurities trapped deep inside the pores. Your skin can finally breathe. Texture starts to feel smoother, and pores appear more refined. The third ingredient, salt. Salt provides gentle exfoliation. It helps pull out toxins and dead skin cells stuck inside the pores. The skin feels fresh, clean, naturally glowing. And the final ingredient, water. Simple, clean, pure. Water doesn't just mix everything together, it activates the ingredients, carries their healing power smoothly into the skin. It hydrates, creates balance, and gently calms the skin. Now let's move toward the science-backed cloves water recipe. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon cloves, a pinch of salt, 5 bay leaves, half a cup of water. Add everything into one pot. Place it on low heat and watch closely. As soon as the water starts to boil, remove it from the stove. Let it cool for 5 minutes, then strain the water properly. Now, into this cloves water, slowly add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix gently so it blends completely and becomes skin ready. Next, add 1 tablespoon honey asterisk, 1 tablespoon sweet almond oil asterisk asterisk. Mix well. The texture turns creamy and smooth, and the nourishment begins to asterisk. Asterisk, penetrate deep into the skin asterisk asterisk. With this simple combination, your skin receives a firm, hydrated, and glowing effect naturally. Dr. Sarah Williams, a cosmetic dermatologist with 18 years of experience, explains, clove-based preparations help calm the skin's inflammatory response. When inflammation reduces, wrinkles and fine lines naturally begin to soften. This mask isn't just for the face. You can use it on the neck, hands, elbows, and even dark areas. But remember one golden rule. Clean skin equals real results. Before applying the mask, cleanse your skin thoroughly. No treatment works on dirty skin. Apply the mask. Wait for 30 minutes, then rinse with normal water. Even after the first use, your skin will feel soft, smooth, and fresh. But the real change? That happens when you use it consistently, 3 times a week. And this is where most people make the biggest mistake: skipping moisturizer. According to doctors, without proper hydration, results simply stop. So try this simple homemade moisturizer. Asterisk asterisk. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 1 tablespoon aloe, and then 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Mix well. Apply it at night. Wash it off in the morning. This is not an instant cosmetic trick. It's a natural healing process. Slowly, wrinkles begin to soften, pores start to tighten, and your natural glow returns. If you're tired of expensive creams, injections, and empty promises, maybe it's time to let your skin heal naturally with cloves water. And if you enjoy science-based natural discoveries, don't forget to subscribe to Clinical Discovery. Like the video, share it, and tell us in the comments which skin problem you want the next video to cover.